Come on, get ready now. I wanna touch you, wanna feel you close to me right now. I wanna love you, girl, and give you total ecstasy. I wanna take you places you ain't never ever been before. Just come along with me and we'll be free to wander and explore. Let me give you all my love. I wanna make sweet love to you. Let me give to you all of me. I'm gonna hold you in my arms and take your breath away. Just look into my eyes and there is nothing more to say. I know what you're feeling now, I'm so in tune with you. Sensitivity is high, I know exactly what to do. Let me give you all my love. I wanna make sweet love to you. Let me give to you all of me. Every time I get with you, there's such a chemistry. I think about you all the time, and I see you and me spending time together, getting closer every day. You know I've got to have you, girl, in my life to stay. Come a little closer to me. Let me look into your eyes. Get ready for me to love you. Let me give you all my love. I wanna make sweet love to you. I wanna feel you.